In this video, we are going to understand how to make presentation attractive in PowerPoint. So, let's start. Click on right button, go to Format Background, click on Picture or Texture Fill, go to File. I have downloaded a picture from Google, select it and insert it. Go to Insert, click on Shapes, select Rectangle, drag like this. Go to Insert and select the text box. Right. Select a new font. Make your text bold and increase the font size. Center your content. Go to Format, Align Center and Align Middle. First select this shape, then select the text box. Go to Merge Shape and select Subtract. Click on Shape Effect. Select Present 3. Select Color from Shape Fill. Duplicate the slide. Slide zoom out. Increase the size of the rectangle. Go to Transition. Select Morph. Now click on Slide Show. So, see friends, our slide looks great. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.